Namaskar and hi everyone again. Welcome back to World of Wow. Today, World of Wow is in Jagjit Viras Dhaba in Daman. So it's almost 180 kilometers from Mumbai and 8 kilometers from Vapi and Daman area. So we thought of trying to drive from Mumbai today just for a weekend outing and explore Daman. And this is our first place in Daman's exploration, which is known for its traditional Punjabi authentic ambience and food. And this is a very popular and also a very old dhaba in Vapi and Daman area, where usually you don't get to have non-veg food and drinks throughout Gujarat. So all people loving chicken, mutton, fish and all their sea platter just pounce over here during the weekend for drinks and non-veg food. And this dhaba is very famous for that. And let me tell you, not only for non-veg, also but for vegetarian food. It offers a 360-degree ambience, starting from children play zone to adults seating area, a full capacity for an event or any program in your house like a wedding or something if you want to have a feast. And this is the particular game which we still play, hopscotch, and we love playing it still. And this was the tradition of Punjab. Here you can see some statues doing bhangra, and of course they are not real issue. And this is the live kitchen counter where you can see all your foods getting cooked, all your delicious servings getting ready. And this is the big hall which is having a ceiling made out of hand woven bamboo. And this not only helps in keeping the environment cool and warm in winter as well, also it gives a very good look on the ceiling. You don't have to do false ceiling for that. It itself adds to it, starting with the lamps as well. So this is a very basic Punjabi kitchen setup in the rural area, where you can see a lot of pots, a woman cooking with a chula and all. And here are the seats, which are also based out of typical rural setup. So you can actually get to feel that rural life again in this place if you are actually too busy in your life within your job and also in work from home. And if you want to have a outing on a weekend, this is the best place to come. Yeah, serving our husbands, this is a tradition since ages, as I can tell you. And this is the prime and most focused statue over there. It reminds us about our culture, definitely. These are some of the earthen pots which have been decorated into a minuscule place, and it gives you that privacy and that warmth to sit in a corner and have your food. This is the entire place, and let me tell you, I just loved it. We ordered some delicious food, some veg and non-veg items, and it was top most, I can tell you. So do visit this place and let me know in your comments, and do subscribe my channel for more updates. Bye bye.